My name's Ernesto Navarro, and I'm the night custodian here at Simmons Elementary. My normal day starts out by, greeting the people in the office when I come in, asking them if there's anything they need. I'll go get my cart ready, get toilet paper, paper towels, everything I need for the night. Then I will usually start with the restrooms. I will start cleaning all the restrooms that are not being used. And then by that time, I get a couple bathrooms done, and then the kids are getting ready to leave. So then I can start in the classrooms, and I dust and vacuum, empty the trash, and clean the desktops. Well, what I think about my job being special is that I appreciate my job. I like doing my job. I like helping the staff, the teachers, anybody that needs help. I like doing that, and that's what makes it special to me. The staff is amazing, from the principal all the way down to the noon duties, the staff custodians. They all work very hard. I mean, it's a team effort all the way through. I've seen that I came in during the day for Mr. Anderson because he was sick at the beginning of the year, so I had to start the year out myself. During the school year, I had to start during the day. And I got to see how hard it is, how much work, I should say, goes into every single day teaching the kids and helping the kids in every way, and how hard everybody works.